Whoa. 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 Whoa.
Nothing but park access. Oh, there's ducks. What's up, guys? It's Colby Martin, and today we're in Michigan. We are on our little vacation here for like a week and like 2 days, something like that. And we already went to the beach last night when we got here, so I'll throw the clip in of that. But we will be going later after we walk some trails and munch because we're fucking starving. So yeah, see, it's not so bright after all. Oh shit, bro. Oh shit. Damn, bro. Not cool. My feet's gonna be wet. You know what, we're gonna say fuck it and take our shoes off. Oh, that is cold. Ah, that's so cold. Not worth it. Not worth it. Look at them with their little baby lights.
Stop.
But we will be here tomorrow, so I mean, you'll definitely see that, so stay tuned. Feels so much better in the shade. You know? Yo, he's about to croak, dude.
Whoa. Whoa.
There's people.
Whoa. Whoa. Marsh tower or river tower?
I want a sheet tower. Oh, shit. Okay, we're going this way.
No, go this way.
Nope.
Why?
We'll be back anyways. It's alright. So, one thing I've learned about Michigan so far, nobody can drive, and service sucks dick.
What's this?
You wanna find out?
Do you want to go down there first?
Guess that's more intriguing.
I just don't want to not supposed to be back here and people come.
Well. Oh well. If we get yelled at, we get yelled at. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
So our plans are go to Grand Rapids later today, stay, then the next day look around, then I think we're going to Pictured Rock. Is that right? Okay. Then we're gonna go from there, look at a few places in Ohio, and then oh, Swishers. Someone's been smoking. It was? What's that?
I don't remember.
I'll have to look at our planning thing. Then we're gonna hit a few places in Ohio, maybe an abandoned something. I don't know. There might be some building exploration. We don't know. If we find something, we'll explore it. But if not, oh well. But so we got Ohio, and then the rest of the trip, which should be Friday night, we'll be back in Kentucky. So yeah. And then we'll be back in the shithole.
Grapevine.
Yes. We'll be in the shithole, Indiana, Sunday. Yay.
Whoa. 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 This goes. Whoa.
I don't know. Spider. Oh, it just gets more narrow. Okay.
If that's how you feel.
I was hoping it would break and it would be so badass, but badassness doesn't exist in my foot today. Doesn't help that I'm almost out of storage on my SD card, so either I'm gonna have to delete something or just go buy a new one. Whichever happens first, well, it'll be alright. It'll be alright.
Whoa.
You stabbed my leg with the stick. So I found some stairs. We're gonna go up here and then looks like we're seeing the tower first. Wow. Whoa. Okay. Oh, yeah. That was yeah. Ridge Trail. So funny story. Called in our food at 2:09. I said it would be 15-20 minutes. It's been 40 minutes. What the Oh well. Imagine they just completely threw away our food.
We used to do it after at Yamato, but only after like 3 hours.
Ah.
So we ate it.
Understandable. What is up, guys? We're back. We just munched our food. It was good. I didn't eat my burger, but that's okay. I'll eat it later. Back on the swamps. There's the tower that we were on. Probably won't be able to understand anything because of this wind, but that's okay. I know. Gross. Got some people on a canoe over there. I'm gonna go over there and disturb their peace. There's a step down into what? Yeah. Wait a minute. Wait a damn minute. People really want to be swimming in this? I mean, probably. Park staff access. Open public.
Is it just the water or are we moving too?
Yes.
Because whenever I look down, this is like stationary. What am I doing? Whenever I look down, it feels like.
Yeah. You know what I'm gonna say? The park access. We're gonna put our shoe in here. So I think about your park access face. What? Thanks. Yeah. I don't get embarrassed.